Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Home remedies that help hide the gray hair. Despite the fact that the appearance of gray hair is associated with genetics and age, this process can also be influenced by stress, unhealthy lifestyle and some other factors. These white hairs, which appear most often after 40, for many become a signal of aging. If you find the first gray hairs, here are some ways to help keep them to a minimum. What causes the appearance of gray hair? Gray hair is one of the signs of aging, but many have such hairs even before the age of 35. They are easier to see on dark hair. As with wrinkles, people with gray hair are looking for ways to hide them. Yes, their occurrence is inevitable, but with the help of home remedies one can try to slow down this process. The age at which gray hair appears depends on the genes that you inherited from your mother. For example, if her gray hair appears early, then you also have all the chances to get them to 40. The reason is the lack of melanin, a natural pigment, which gives the hair color. Stress and unhealthy lifestyle also leads to the appearance of gray hairs. There are home remedies that will help delay the appearance of gray hair. They also help to strengthen and moisturize the hair. Eat more nuts, whole grains, legumes, avocados and peas. Less often drink alcohol and stop smoking. So, here are 5 tools that will help delay the appearance of gray hair. Sage. This herb is recommended for those with brown hair. Make a tincture of a few leaves of sage with black tea and add to it a half liter of boiling water. Allow the medium to cool and use it as a hair conditioner. Rosemary. If you have an even deeper dark hair color, then try this remedy. Add 4 tablespoons of rosemary to a half liter of water. It is also useful for strengthening the roots and improving the scalp. Use a spray bottle to spray the tincture over your hair. Do this every day and your hair will become a bit darker. Chamomile and turmeric. These herbs are suitable for light hair. The tincture will help restore the golden shine of the hair, which will hide the gray hair. 4 tablespoons per liter of filtered water. Use as a rinse aid. If you want to give the hair a hint of honey, then add 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Avocado and argan or coconut oil. These are the 3 best friends when it comes to gray hair. Mix these ingredients in the hair mask. Apply it and cover the head with a hot towel. Wait 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Magnolia. Use a tablespoon of magnolia and a cup of hot water. When everything cools, use as a conditioner for clean hair. This tincture will give the hair a more even tone. Egg, nut and rosemary. You will need 2 leaves of walnuts, 5 shredded nuts, 1 eggshell and a handful of rosemary. Mix and make a paste that you can use as a hair mask. Stay with her for an hour, and then rinse with plenty of water. Do this once a week. Rosemary and sage. You will need 3 tablespoons of each of these herbs in boiling water. Stir well and let it brew for 10 minutes. When cool, strain and use as a conditioner. Do not rinse with water. Henna and lemon juice. Use 3 tablespoons of powdered henna and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir and make the paste. Spread on hair and cover with polyethylene. Walk like this for 3 hours, and then wash it off. Henna will give hair a reddish hue with regular application. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.